Hi everyone, it's Adyel here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm starting another week in my life video. I'm back in LA from my New York trip. If you haven't seen my New York vlog, what are you doing? Go watch that. But I got back 2 days ago and surprisingly I'm already unpacked and I just filmed. Like, who am I? Usually I take forever to unpack and like get my life back together, but you know, she out here grinding. So I just did my makeup and I actually have to take selfies before the sun sets. I wanted to film another video, but it's okay because I have time tomorrow and Thursday. I'm gonna film all my content for the upcoming week. So right now I'm just gonna take some selfies and then I'm going to schedule my New York vlog actually to go live tomorrow. And then it's Kiara's brother's birthday, so we are going to go to his place for just like a little chill kickback. Not sure if I'm gonna vlog that, but yeah, I have 3 more weeks officially until school starts and I know I'm really lucky. Usually for people, school already started in August, but I start October 9th. Pray for me, y'all. I'm trying to soak in my free time as much as I can and just film a lot of content and do a lot of things. I'm going to the Pretty Little Thing headquarters on Thursday. I'm so excited. And yeah, so I'm just excited to take you guys along with me on this week in my life. Before we continue though, be sure to give a big thumbs up because that helps me and my channel out a lot. But yeah, your girl has to go take some fire selfies real quick.
Put up.
Let me play one fucking song.
Hi my beauties, so today is Wednesday. I got ready. I'm not used to, I have like a luminous look today because I started using my LA Girl foundation again. In my top 3 favorites, I just did a flawless face routine, so if you haven't watched that, watch that and I tell you guys about all my favorites. My other 2 faves that I've been using are matte, so I'm not used to seeing a dewy look. But so yeah, today I got ready and I'm about to do some filming. I got the Pretty Little Thing X Sweetie collection, well, some pieces in the mail. Thank you so much to Pretty Little Thing. So I'm about to film a try and haul. I'm so excited to try everything on. I haven't even like fully unboxed everything. I took a sneak peek, but that was about it. Also, I thought I would just vlog this. Why not? I ordered these curtains off Amazon. They're this light gray color. I didn't want to do white or dark gray. I wanted to complement, and they're not actually for my window. It is for this area right here. So this looks so ugly and unorganized. Basically, this is where I keep all the stuff that I sell on Poshmark. Literally, there's an overload of stuff. If you guys haven't shopped my Poshmark, please be sure to do so. And a lot of this stuff hasn't even been listed yet. That's why it's just a mess. But I hate, like, right next to my entryway and right going to my bathroom, like, all my guests see this. Y'all know I have a studio apartment. I did an apartment tour like a year ago, if you want to go watch that after this, but I don't have much storage in a studio, obviously, so I just have this little corner. Here's my luggage, like an air mattress, bedding, more bedding here, right on top of my laundry basket, a table. It's just really ugly, okay? I ordered like a tension rod that goes onto the wall. I can't wait to hang this. Obviously it's all folded up. It's gonna cover like from the floor, but it's just gonna make me feel so much better. And guys, these IKEA drawers are lifesavers. These under the bed things. I have 6 under the bed. Since moving out on my own, I've really been trying to develop like good organizational habits, and it's been super hard with a studio apartment, honestly, because you leave one package on the floor and it'd be looking like a train wreck. So I'm really trying out here. But yeah, let me know if in vlogs you want to see more organization. Yeah, I'm about to film this try and haul real quick, and then I am going out to dinner with Corey. You guys might have seen her on my breakfast mukbang in Cancun. Love her to death, and we always happen to be going through the same like boy drama. Random side note, but I'm gonna see her. We're gonna get ramen at this bomb place. You guys need to go to Jinya Ramen. Tomorrow I'm so excited because I'm gonna be going to the Pretty Little Thing headquarters. I just got a text from my favorite Carlos at Dose of Colors, and he told me to stop by. They're having a pop-up shop this weekend for their new concealers, which I'm gonna cry because I'm so excited. I love the foundation so much. Okay, so it is Thursday. It's pretty early. Last night though, I pulled out some things because I'm gonna wear that pink satin dress over there, and I want to do a pink look. So when I thought pink makeup, I instantly thought Too Faced. This is the Pretty Rich palette, and then this is the White Peach palette. I think I'm gonna go in with this one first and then go into the other one. I'm extremely tired this morning, but it's all good. I tried to sleep in as much as I possibly could, but now I'm gonna set up my DSLR and I'm just just gonna film myself getting ready. I'm not gonna talk or anything, but it's because I want to do Instagram get ready with me. I look a disaster. I'm so sorry. This hair is just no, but I'm planning on doing a really cute hairstyle too. I already have like 7 Instagram makeup tutorials that I have that I want to post, and I'm just making sure that I have everything set up because I want to post them like down the middle row. And yeah, I'm just like trying to film as much Instagram content as possible. It's actually really hard because I take so many Instagram pictures and I always usually really like them and want to post them, but then it's like I post one a day and I have enough for like a month, which is fine, but I'm always posting like things so much later. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking right now and just get ready and talk to you guys once I'm fully glam. Guys, can we just like, oh my god, I went off. Who let me? I'm so glad I filmed this Instagram tutorial. So I'm gonna go to Starbucks real quick. I order a new drink. It's kind of complicated. I'll film myself ordering it, but I'm wearing this Pretty Little Thing sweetie dress. I'm so excited. Okay, y'all ready for this? This is kind of embarrassing. I always warn them, but I feel like maybe I shouldn't, but then like, you know, I want them to be prepared that my order is kind of complex. No joke though, I've been obsessed with this drink like to no end. Just warning you that the order is kind of complex. It's an iced triple espresso in a venti cup.
Give me 1 second. Okay.
With 1.5 pumps of white mocha, and then whole milk, and then pumpkin cold foam on top.
Okay, what have you on for you?
Yeah, thank you so much. So I guess when fall's over, I won't get pumpkin foam, I'll just get regular cold foam. But see, the thing is, I like pumpkin, but not too much. Like, I don't really like pumpkin lattes or like pumpkin spice frappuccino crap. Like, I have to be really craving it to want that. But this is so good. It literally is triple espresso, so it wakes you up and it tastes so good. Honestly, a little bit better than the caramel macchiato, if I'm gonna be honest. And then it has like a little bit of pumpkin flavor, so it's freaking bomb. Y'all need to try it. Like, and it's $3.75. Y'all hear her? Like, hi.
$3.75. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Can I have a straw, please? I'm sorry, but I'm not finna stain my teeth. Maybe I'll buy some metal straws, honestly. I'm sorry, y'all. Like, don't cancel me. Guys, I really can't believe I did this in an hour and 15 minutes. The makeup was done in an hour, the hair I did in 15. Like, who-ish? By the way, this ends up looking like an orangey color. I'm gonna drive to the Pretty Little Thing headquarters. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be stressed out finding parking, but then on my drive home, I'm gonna film a drive with me. Then I'm gonna get home. Don't think I'm gonna change because I don't think I'm gonna get pictures like at the next event, which is the Dose of Colors pop-up shop for the concealer. So I'm super excited for that, but I'm not gonna get pictures there, so I'm just gonna stay in the same outfit, same look, honestly. And with the pink makeup, I feel like I should just stay in this look. And yeah, I'm gonna lift there because I got a lift code, so I'm just gonna come back. I think I'm gonna get lunch at Earth, which is right next to the Pretty Little Thing headquarters. Super convenient. But yeah, so that's the plan for today. I'm gonna vlog for you guys. It actually feels really good to get ready early and get like full glam, but hopefully by doing Instagram tutorials more often, I'll be doing looks more often. It's just a struggle figuring out like what to put on YouTube and what to put on Instagram, but I don't know until YouTube, because YouTube, honestly, the algorithm always plays me. My makeup tutorials end up not doing too good, so why not put them on Instagram where they'll do better, IGTV. And then if there's like a really extra look that I want to put on YouTube, I can put it on YouTube, or I can make my YouTube videos shorter, and then whenever I'm not planning on doing a YouTube video, film it anyways for Instagram. I don't really know, y'all get the hint, but you know, we just gonna just change into my shoes. Looking so extra. Thank God I found a spot right in front at Earth. I feel really bad because these people are about to be like, what the hell, like, where is she going? But you know what, whatever. Bro, like, why am I like this? I'm so excited though. I've always walked past, but I've never actually came, and I'm so excited. Look how stunning. Pretty Little Thing, ayy. So cute. So I'm gonna pick out some items right now. So excited. So cute. Thank you so much to Pretty Little Thing. It's literally stunning in here. I'm gonna show you guys what I got a little bit later from Earth. I just got a mac and cheese and then a mango pineapple smoothie, and now I'm gonna drive home so that I can park my car, eat this really quick, and then go to the Dose of Colors. And then I'll show you guys this like after the dose when I'm just chilling, relaxing, not in a rush. Yo, yes, is everything. Cute. It's Carlos's show. It's his world, and we're walking in it. Period. Hi loves, so it's been such a long day. I'm exhausted. I'm about to eat the rest of my mac and cheese because I ate half for lunch and saved the rest for dinner. And I also want to put up my curtain because I got the rod today. But yeah, I just want to quickly show you what I got from Pretty Little Thing and then Dose of Color. First things first, I got the Icy tube top, just a classic in the Sweetie collection. And then I also got the Icy tank top. Then I believe this is in the Sweetie collection as well. It's just this baby blue like cowl neck top. Then I got these shorts, which I love. They're Bermuda like in the back and then they're all ripped in the front, which is so cute. A sweatshirt that says Pretty Little Thing. Can never go wrong with sweatshirts. So yeah. And then Dose of Colors. I just got a refill of my foundation shade in 118 and then I got the new concealer in the shade 17. I'm so beyond excited to try this. The doe foot looks amazing. I'm really excited. I have high hopes always for Dose. But yeah, honestly, it's been a super long day. I'm pretty exhausted. All I want to do is take this hair down, take my lashes off, take this makeup off, clean, have a tidy apartment, and just have my life together right now. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Just gonna eat real quick and just get everything situated. But I'm probably not gonna vlog all that just because I'm trying to get done as quick as possible. And I haven't heard your feedback if you enjoy like organization type stuff. I will show you guys the curtain because I think I'm gonna do that first right now. By the way, guys, I wanted to show you Fashion Nova sent me Halloween costumes. I'm so excited. Ew, ignore this. But last year I did a Halloween lookbook with them and I love how it turned out and I think I'm gonna do the exact same for this year. I'm gonna shoot for it to go live the first week of October, second week the latest. I just need a free day, like a whole day to set aside to film this and like do different hairstyles and like add different makeup. Like it's a lot. Or I might have to split it into 2 days. For some of these I might want to have like extra makeup, but I'm so excited. And of course this is gonna be my costume selection for the year in general. So so for Instagram, all these are gonna be on there. So this is how it looks. I'm loving it. It's perfect. I have to like steam the curtain, but the curtain literally is the perfect length. You still get the lighting. It covers pretty much everything. And then boom, ugliness like right behind. I'm so glad I went with this light gray too. It doesn't blend into the wall. And then, I mean, it would have been cute with the white because like it would have matched, but I kind of like the contrast with the light gray. And then with my bathroom, so yay, when I have visitors and they come straight in, they won't see like a pile of unorganized looking mess because it's just stuffed and packed. So I'm really excited about this. Now it's time for bed. Look who I'm with. Hello. Reunited. We're about to take pics. We're gonna go to Melrose.
I'm so excited.
We haven't popped in so long.
We haven't, so we're ready.
Yeah. We're on Melrose taking pics. Yeah. So guys, we have literally just been in the car just looking at our pictures and posting and killing time with traffic. We don't know what to do. It's a Friday night. There's literally nothing to do. This is what it's looking like. At least we have a little bit of a view, but I'll keep you guys updated if things change. Vlog Hey guys, so again, got the drink. Sorry I have bedhead. I literally haven't even brushed my hair yet. So me and Kiara found no plans yesterday. We literally came home and waited around for plans and we had nothing. So I edited and uploaded my Pretty Little Thing Sweetie haul. And now we went to Starbucks. She's not here, by the way. She went to do a music video shoot and she's gonna come back later. So hopefully we have plans later. But now I'm about to go get my car washed because I haven't got it washed in so long. It's been too long. I've had enough. I just had to make some calls. I have extremely busy upcoming weeks and then like with school starting and everything, I'm a little bit stressed, but it's okay because I love being busy. Honestly, being busy makes me the happiest. But yesterday I woke up to the most exciting news. So if you guys have watched me, you probably know I've worked with Fashion Nova for so long, since I literally was like a sophomore in high school before they blew up. Literally when I got my first email from them, I was like, oh, what's Fashion Nova? I literally have seen them evolve, and it's just crazy. I've always wanted to do more with them, and I finally am. Like, I actually I don't want to get emotional, but basically they reached out to me because they are collaborating with French Montana on his new song, and they want to do a video shoot with me on Monday. And I got to pick out 2 outfits, and we're gonna meet at the location. I'm not even sure if like I could vlog it or anything. That reminds me, I actually have to email her and ask like if I'm even allowed to disclose it before it comes out. But basically they just want me and the videographer to create a bomb ass video to the new song, just dancing, posing, strutting, like showing off the outfits, and like I could actually cry. Somebody pinch me, honestly, because I can't believe this is real. And I'm not sure if I've ever really talked about this on YouTube, but I have wanted to get into modeling for a really long time. And of course I model and I do shoot and I get gigs here and there, but I haven't signed to an agency yet, just because it's so hard to pick the perfect match, and I feel like I haven't found my perfect match yet, and when I do, I feel like I should know right away. In the next few months I'm going to be going to casting calls to really try and confirm an agency. Like, I really need an agent and a manager already to really help further my career. I can't do everything on my own. I definitely need to have 1 or 2 people on my team rooting for me and supporting me and helping me look for jobs. Yeah, so I don't know, this just really felt like a full circle moment, and it feels so surreal. I'm literally so excited. I can't wait for Monday. Like, it's gonna be great. If I can show that footage will probably be in next week's vlog. But wow, yeah, I'm gonna stop talking about it for now. You guys, I'm sure we'll see it really soon because the song gets released next Friday, so I'm sure Fashion Nova will like have the video to me pretty soon to be posted. But yeah, thank you to you guys for always supporting me, my core loyal viewers. But I'm gonna go get a car wash right now, and then I'm literally gonna relax because I really haven't had that much time to relax lately, and I'm just gonna chill, edit some videos, plan videos out. And I totally forgot the other day that I was gonna film the drive with me. I completely forgot about it because I had called my mom on the phone, and then on my way home, and then I completely forgot that I wanted to film that video. So I'm gonna have to film it another day this week whenever I'm driving somewhere, which should be fine. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna get ready just yet. I'm not gonna take pictures today because Kiara's not gonna get back until the sun sets. So if I do get ready, it's gonna be because we find plans, but if not, then I'm just chilling. But I am gonna get up really early tomorrow and maybe take like 1 or 2 outfit pictures. I'm gonna see what time Kiara is trying to leave tomorrow. That's what's going on. I'm so excited for my car wash, so I'm gonna get up and go right now.
We love a deep clean car wash. Finally got my baby. The way she shines, I'm not, you see it. They did such a good job. I love the place I go to. They literally spend so long on it. Now I'm going to get Jersey Mike's.
Guys, like, look at that curtain. It makes everything look so much better. I'm actually obsessed. Yes. So this is what I got from Jersey Mike's. Jersey Mike's is so much better than Subway. Growing up, I always ate Subway because it was in my hometown, but this is so fire. It's so fresh. I got a number 13, which is like the original Italian, and I get it Mike's way with banana peppers and mayo. So yummy. Hey y'all, so tonight's different. We have fucking plans.
And everyone?